Ħerqana li se tkun f'pajjiżna għal-Mediterrane Film Festival. Dan kien is-sentiment espress mill-attriċi ta' dixxendenza Maltija waqt li One News iltaqa' magħha fl-istudios tagħna fil-Marsa. Ingrem kienet akkumpanjata minn nannuha Karmenu Grek magħruf bħala Charles mill-imqabba li għexieren ta' snin ilu mar jgħix ir-Renju Unit. Kelli tiġi l-akbar neputija tiegħu. Ingrem żaret l-ewwel darba pajjiżna meta kellha biss 3 ġimgħat. Iżda minkejja li ħajjitha qed fir-Renju Unit xorta tinsab kburija bl-eruq tagħha u l-konnessjoni li għandha ma' pajjiżna.
So my grandfather is from Amaba, so we grew up here pretty much on and off. We come for the feast of tal-OPPOZIZZJONI in Amaba every single year, and yeah, we've spent pretty much half of our life, me and my sister, coming back and forth to Malta.
Minkejja li fil-karriera tagħha ħadmet fi produzzjonijiet kbar, meta kienet żgħira Ingrem kienet iżjed tħobb tkanta.
I was doing a lot of singing in school, just as the choir, and then someone in my hometown was doing something in theatre, so I started doing theatre and then auditioned for local theatre, auditioned for what I thought was also local theatre, and it ended up being the West End.
Minn hemmhekk Ingrem kellha karriera kulurita.
And then it kind of just grew from there, really. I started in Oliver, the musical, auditioned for another one, Matilda, and ended up being Matilda, and then it kind of just went from there, really, just carried on.
Minn dak iż-żmien law kelli ħadmet fi żjed produzzjonijiet popolari bħal serja Game of Thrones li ironikament partijiet minnu inġibdu f'pajjiżna stess u l-films ta' Netflix f'Rirejn. Ma dan l-istazzjon iqasmet kif ix-xewqa tagħha li taħdem ukoll f'pajjiżna.
So obviously, so I was in Game of Thrones, which filmed a little bit in Malta, but my character was the cold side of the wall, so I didn't get to actually film anything in Malta. I spent a lot of my time in Belfast, but that would be amazing in the future to be able to come and work here one day.
Issa Ingrem se tkun fost aktar artisti u atturi popolari f'pajjiżna għal ġimgħa ta' attivitajiet fil-Mediterrane Film Festival li jiftaħ is-Sibt.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me for the film festival. I am so excited. Obviously get to spend a little bit of time with my grandfather as well, spending 2 weeks here in the nice sun where it's very rainy over in England. But yeah, I'm so excited and thank you so much for having me.